Hi everyone. So, can anyone guess what is this blog about? Okay, forget guessing. As it is the winters in UAE, the weather is really amazing. As I mentioned in my last video, that I always intend to go out a lot in these months because the weather is really amazing, and especially the outdoor activities and plans. So, here is one that we did for our last weekend. And please, this is not a get ready with me. My get ready with me sucks. I don't follow all the 8 9 routine process that everyone should do while getting ready, like the way you should apply your makeup and all. I don't do it. Please do not concentrate on that. It's just my way of getting ready. So basically, coming to the point, last weekend my husband was like, let's plan something. It's like the weekend is coming. So we were just scrolling through our Instagram and we saw a ad at this page, which is Yalla Habibi. And for them, they were hosting a 1 hour or even 2 hours like yacht around Marina. So basically, you can book it for even 1 hour or 2 hours. Okay. And it would be based on your time selection. Generally, they have specific slots like 4 to 5, 5 to 6, 6 to 7. You can go ahead and select your time frame, what you're looking at, and they took our booking. So basically there are two options of booking. You can directly reach out to them and you can do online payment and book your seats, or even if you inform them and book it, payment you can go and directly do at the yacht. Just one quick tip here: if you're paying at the yacht, preferably you carry cash, so they will take only the booking amount. If there you are paying through card or any other wallet, they will charge some charges like 8 to 10% for card payments. Okay, so we booked it for only 49 dirham per person and we booked a 1 hour slot. So we booked for 6 to 7. So as you know, like we stay near Al Satwa area, and for us it would be a 1 hour, like a 1 hour process to reach there, park and reach the yacht location. So that's why we booked it for 6 to 7. And this is my dress. I thought of going with this blue. Yeah, and you see we have reached the location. It was really nice, breezy and easy to reach. Yeah, the pickup point is really easy breezy. It was very windy, but it was really amazing. Overall, we were like 15 to 16 people, and you see me waving at other yachts also. So it's really nice. I kind of was enjoying, and this is like an our yearly date that we do in Dubai. You will see a lot of people going out for such yacht parties or yacht celebrations, and this is like a Dubai thing, which is pretty much pocket friendly and chill. And one more thing, you know that they serve beverages also. So we got aerated drinks there available, and it's included in your package. Okay, no additional charges, and they play nice music, and it was really nice. We had a good evening over there. And once you get down from there, there is a nearby area also where you want to just walk and have a good time for some time. So they leave sharp at 6 and they will get you back by 7. The night view was also amazing. So basically, we got a sundowner view as well as the evening dark view as well. So we were enjoying like a pro. Honestly, these are the winter months and you guys should make the most out of it. Nearby there was a track, as I mentioned, so I was walking around and I thought, why not take a small video? You guys should try it. Enjoy. Bye bye.